Welcome to Supplement Exposed with NutriBoss.
Hello Nutri-Warriors. Recently, the social media space has witnessed a surge in the promotion of different supplements, vitamins and herbs for skincare, and one of these supplements that is making wave is CMOS. I bet you've seen people talk about CMOS, but today I will expose the secrets behind CMOS supplements, and after watching this video, you will find out if CMOS is very good for a healthy and glowing skin and how to identify the best type of CMOS supplements. You know we cannot start talking about CMOS without enlightening you on what exactly CMOS is. So to the question I know you have in mind, what is CMOS? Let me explain. CMOS is commonly referred to as Irish moss. It is a type of red algae found along the rocky parts of the Atlantic coast of Europe and North America. It has been used for centuries in various cultures for its health benefits, particularly in skincare. CMOS is a powerhouse of nutrients, which is why CMOS supplements are gaining popularity in the skincare world today. It provides a good number of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that contribute to skin health and radiance. To understand this very well, I will explain things that make CMOS so special. CMOS is special because it offers a natural and holistic approach to enhancing skin health and beauty with its powerful nutritional content. It is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants, and polysaccharides, which has been proven to make the skin healthy and glow. Bear in mind that your skin can glow and not be healthy, but a healthy skin will always glow. While you bear that in mind, let us talk about the vitamin constituents of CMOS that makes it good for a healthy and glowing skin. And don't forget that by the end of this video, you will learn how to identify and choose a good CMOS supplement for yourself. My name is Ekenze Clinton Onadozie, also known as NutriBoss. I'm a registered nutritionist and a member of Consumer Lab, an independent company based in the United States that tests supplements and nutritional products to confirm their quality and safety for human consumption. Your health is my priority, so kindly pay attention to the end of this video as I teach you how to make right decisions on the supplements you take and your health in general. So firstly, CMOS contains vitamin A, which is crucial for skin repair and maintenance. Vitamin A promotes the production of healthy cells and stimulates fibroblasts, which are the cells responsible for developing tissues that keep the skin firm and healthy, thereby reducing wrinkles and fine lines and contributing to a youthful glow. Secondly, it contains vitamin C, which is a potent antioxidant that protects the skin from damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, and if you don't know what collagen is, it is a protein that maintains the skin elasticity and firmness. I made a video about collagen and how to choose the best type of collagen for your skin type. Feel free to watch it after this. Regular intake of vitamin C can result in brighter skin and a reduction in hyperpigmentation, thereby making your skin glow. CMOS contains vitamin E, which is another powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from oxidative damage and enhances the skin moisture and elasticity, which are vital for a glowing complexion. Vitamin E also has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe and reduce skin irritation. CMOS also contains vitamin K, which plays a vital role in the body's healing process and can help with skin conditions such as stretch marks, spider veins, dark spots, scars, and stubborn circles under the eyes. Vitamin K's ability to promote skin healing contributes to a more even and natural skin tone. Now, let's talk about the mineral content of CMOS that is making it gain popularity in the skincare world today. But before we continue, kindly take a minute to click the subscribe button and like this video so that YouTube can show you to more people who need to take control of their health. I'm waiting. Have you done it? Okay, thank you so much. Let's continue. So CMOS contains a variety of minerals that are essential for maintaining healthy skin. The first on the mineral list of sea moss is magnesium. Magnesium is vital for maintaining the skin's moisture, reducing inflammation, and also helps to alleviate conditions like eczema and acne. Also, magnesium promotes better sleep and stress management, both of which are essential and crucial for skin health. The second on the mineral list is zinc. Zinc is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to regulate oil production in the skin. It can help in the treatment of acne, promote the healing of wounds, and reduce the risk of scarring. The third on the mineral list is selenium. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin from ultraviolet induced damage and effects of free radicals. It also plays a role in preventing premature aging, where a person looks so much older than his age, and it also maintains skin elasticity. The last on the mineral composition of sea moss is iodine. Iodine is essential for the regulation of the skin's moisture level. It helps to heal cuts and scars and supports the skin detoxification process, contributing to a clearer complexion. Now, let's talk about the amino acid content of sea moss that makes it powerful for a healthy skin. Firstly, you need to understand that amino acids are the building blocks of protein, which are essential in the repair and growth of skin tissues. Sea moss is rich in several amino acids like proline, which is crucial for collagen production and helps in maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Increased collagen production can result in smoother and more youthful looking skin. Another amino acid found in sea moss is glycine. Glycine promotes the formation of collagen and elastin, which are vital for skin elasticity and firmness. It also has antioxidant properties that protect the skin from oxidative. The third amino acid found in sea moss is adenine. Adenine helps in wound healing and regeneration of skin tissues. It also boosts the production of nitric oxide, which enhances the skin radiance by improving blood circulation to the skin. Another nutritional content of sea moss that makes it unique and effective for a healthy and glowing skin are polysaccharides. Sea moss contains a type of polysaccharide known as carrageenan, which hydrates the skin. These polysaccharides can enhance hydration by forming a protective barrier in the skin, which helps to retain moisture and keep the skin hydrated. And you know, a proper hydration is essential for maintaining a healthy glow. These polysaccharides can also promote healing. Carrageenan has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe irritated skin and promote faster healing of wounds and blemishes. The next to talk about are the antioxidant properties of sea moss that makes it special and great for skincare. As we know, antioxidants are vital in protecting the skin from oxidative stress and environmental damage. Sea moss is rich in several antioxidants, including flavonoids, which helps in protecting the skin from damage caused by ultraviolet rays and environmental pollutants, thereby reducing the risk of premature aging and maintaining a youthful appearance. And also, sea moss contains polyphenols that helps to neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing cellular damage, which is crucial in maintaining skin health and preventing signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. The last constituents of sea moss that makes it superb for skin care are fatty acids. Sea moss contains small amounts of essential fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining the skin's lipid barrier and preventing moisture loss. These fatty acids include 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce skin redness and irritation. They also promote hydration and elasticity, which are essential for a glowing skin. Secondly, they contain omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 fatty acids are important for maintaining the skin's barrier function and preventing moisture loss. They also play a role in reducing inflammation and promoting skin healing. Now that you know the powerful nutrients packed in sea moss, let me teach you how to identify the best form of sea moss supplement. To identify and purchase a good sea moss supplement, there are 3 criteria to consider. Firstly, the type of CMOS used in producing the supplement. Secondly, the harvesting method. And lastly, third-party certification. This is very important. So the first on the criteria, which is the type of CMOS. You need to understand that there are several types of CMOS, each with its unique properties and nutritional profiles. But the best is Chondrus crispus, which is often referred to as Irish moss. It is the traditional form of sea moss found in cooler waters and has the best nutritional content. The second on the criteria is the harvesting method. The quality of sea moss is greatly influenced by how it is harvested. There are two primary methods of harvesting sea moss. First, the wide-crafted sea moss. This has to do with harvesting sea moss directly from its natural environment. It is considered the highest quality because it retains its full nutrient composition. However, you need to know that they are more expensive due to the labor-intensive harvesting process. The second method is farmed sea moss. This is the type of sea moss cultivated and harvested in a controlled environment, and it is more affordable but may not have the same nutrient density as wide-crafted sea moss. Now to the last criteria, which is third-party certification. Considering the regulation of supplements by the Food and Drug Administration, which ensures that supplements are produced in a healthy environment and free from genetically modified organisms, there is need for you to confirm that the supplement you are buying contains the actual amount and quality of nutrients that is listed on it. And at the time of this video, there are just 4 independent third-party certification companies charged with this responsibility. So look out for their sale when purchasing a supplement. We have the United States Pharmacopoeia, USP. We have the National Sanitation Foundation, NSF. We have the Consumer Lab. We have the Underwriter Laboratory Seal. Only the products that meet these companies' stringent criteria are permitted to display their verified seal on their label. The verified seal tells you that they have been independently verified for quality. This organization ensures that 1. Supplements contain the ingredients listed on the label in the declared potency and amounts. 2. Do not contain harmful levels of specified contaminants. 3. Will break down and release into the body within a specified period of time. And lastly, have been made according to FDA current good manufacturing practices using sanitary and well-controlled procedures. So look for their seal when choosing a supplement to buy. And depending on how you prefer your sea moss, you can go for raw sea moss if you prefer to prepare it yourself. It is versatile and can be used in various recipes. You can also choose to go for a sea moss gel, which is pre-made and perfect for adding to smoothies or using as a topical application. Or you can go for sea moss capsule, which is very easy to take and great for those who want a precise dosage without the hassle of preparation. If you have used or currently using any sea moss supplement, kindly tell us your experience and feel free to ask any question in the comment section. And also, do not forget that supplements don't replace foods. So endeavor to eat right, drink enough water to keep your organs working well, exercise regularly, and consult a registered nutritionist or dietitian before taking any supplement, especially if you're on medication or have an underlying health condition. Thank you.
This is Nutri Television, your professional source to everything nutrition.